今天皮皮在学校有一个展出，我要去看一下。
从我单位到他学校开车大概3分钟，非常近。已经进来了，现在去他们的展览室。哇哦，这是一个叫 STEM 的展出，就大概是涉及到任何科学相关的，你都可以拿来展出。就像这个小朋友，他想看一下食物放在冰箱里和放在外面，哪一个会发霉更快。他们提出自己的一个假设，然后会得到一些实验数据，最后得到一个结论。皮皮今天展出的是一个特别有意思的科学实验，他用土豆作为原材料，然后在土豆上插上了铜片和锌片，利用铜和锌之间可以跟土豆产生电离子的交换，从而产生电压。那么这个小电伏的电压就会给一个小的钟表提供电流。它还可以使用3个土豆串联的方式再去产生更多的电流。他把自己整个实验的预期、实验过程以及结论和将来的展望，然后每个做成一个小的图片展示给大家。
Hypothesis was I would think it would run 1 to 5 minutes. My conclusion was different from my hypothesis because it lasted 2 to 3 hours. And it works by using the potato as an electrolyte, where a chemical reaction happens between the galvanized nail electrolyte and the copper or penny electrolyte, creating an electrical current that can power a small clock. Essentially, the potato's natural acid reacts to the metals. The small clock reacts with the metals, causing electrons to flow from the zenith to the copper, generating electricity.
Good job. How many hours it will last for 2 potatoes? Okay, that
Use these potatoes. These potatoes, you can if you buy potatoes for 2 to 5 days, it'll be good. But if it's beyond that, it might rot and it won't work.
Oh, okay, why?
Because it's rotting. The potatoes might rot, so the acid dries up.
Okay.
The potatoes
So you need fresh potatoes. 我非常惊讶皮皮做出这样的东西，他的整个设想以及他的构思，包括他实验出来都是他自己完成的。我问他你是从哪里得到了这个想法，他跟我说是他看书看到的。所以带孩子们多读书吧。